Hey everyone, I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Canvas's appointment group feature. This is a great way for you to set up individual meetings with your students or for you to schedule online office hours and have them all appear in the Canvas calendar. Best of all, once a student registers for an appointment, it will send you a notification and turn a different color in your own calendar. So for example, I've been messing around with this and you can see these are appointments that I had set up. And once a student registered, it turned dark pink to let me know that the registration had gone through, and I also received an email. So it's also a good way for you to know if students are planning on dropping into your online office hours, assuming you're holding them through Zoom. But to be honest, you could even do this for physical office hours if you wanted to have students pre-sign up for time for one reason or another. And this is a really easy feature to use. You can do it one of two ways. You can click into the empty calendar box, and then click assignment group, or you could also just click the little plus symbol up there, and then also click appointment group. You're going to put your name, so I'll do this, and something important here, you can write Zoom as a location, I would, if they're not in your office, especially if you've got in-person office hours and online office hours, just to help make everything clear to students. But don't put this full meeting link. What you should do, I was going to put it here so I can steal it for the example I'm going to show you. Put the full meeting group in the details, and then when the students click to sign up for the meeting, it will show up as a hyperlink for them. And the really cool thing about this is that you put one time, so I'll do it for tomorrow so I don't freak out the system since noon's already passed for today. And so I'm doing it from noon to 4 p.m. And so now I got my time range, and you can divide it into different increments of time. So I'm going to have it set to create a meeting for every 30 minutes. And you hit go, and it sets up the meetings for you, just like that. The other cool thing about this is you can have it appear for multiple courses. So if you wanted to have office hours and have them show up in all the courses, there you go. If you wanted to have it only be an individual student, when you click that little drop-down menu, it would give you your class list. Really great, really easy. You can limit the times each student can sign up for. You can allow students to see you signing up for it. You could do it. You could also have students sign up in groups. I'm actually going to get rid of this because I don't want to accidentally create a fake meeting for my fall courses. You could have students sign up in groups. So if you have a group project, they could come at once. You could limit the number of people that come into the meeting. You could have multiple people if you want two people to show up for one reason or another. And then when you hit publish, it just automatically schedules. And so I'm not going to republish this since I've already got so many. And you can see, you click here, and then there's the meeting link students will click on. It'll take them right to the meeting. Real easy. Now what I'm going to show you is what this looks like on the student side, because it does get a little tricky. So I'm back, and I'm in my Canvas Sandbox course. And this is where it gets a little tricky, right? So you've got your student can come in, they click View Course Calendar. And this shows up because I've already sort of scheduled this when I was messing around with stuff. And this is, if you were here earlier in the training or you watched the video where I explained how to integrate Zoom with Canvas, this is the fake class meeting from that. And the reason this can get problematic is your student doesn't actually see all the optional meeting times initially. They have to hit Find Appointment. And again, I would emphasize this to them. You may even want to do a quick video, or at least, talk to them about it at some point. They'll pick the course they want to do. So I'm in my fake student for this fake course, and I hit submit. And then, voila, all these courses pop up, and your student can then create fake meetings for 3 o'clock. Just sort of show up. Oh, I didn't put the Zoom meeting link in that one, though. It would show up. They would say, what would your student say? Can't wait to meet with you and go over the first paper, right? They would say, because they're so excited, they put 3 exclamation points. And then they hit reserve, and now that slot is grayed out, and it shows up, remember at the start of the video, as the dark pink in my calendar to show that someone has taken it. And it's that symbol. So that's how it works. A really useful feature in Canvas, Canvas Appointment Group.